Hi there, little explorer. Have you ever wondered how your favorite games or videos get to your screen? It's all thanks to a secret magic path called a provider flow. Are you ready to go on an adventure to see how it works? First, we start with a wish. When you tap a button, you're sending a special message flying through the air. It's like sending a super fast paper airplane to find a helper who can make your wish come true.
Look, we found the provider. This is a very smart helper who catches your message and starts working right away. Just like a chef baking a yummy cake, they put all the right pieces together to make exactly what you asked for.
Now comes the flow part. The helper sends your finished gift down a magical, twisty-turny slide of light. It travels faster than a racing car, zooming through the wires and air to get back to your home. Ta-da! Your request finished its big trip and arrived right on time. That's how a provider flow works. It's a team of fast friends working together to bring magic to your fingertips. You're a technology superstar.